for Spider-Man, Superman, Batman, and the Incredible Hulk. There's a new comic book hero on the horizon. Guess who? Paula Deen.
Paula Deen?
Yeah, she's getting a comic book. There's this company called Blue Water that's been developing this comic book well before this whole backlash and everything came out with. But I hear the pages are gonna be in black and white.
Really? No colored pictures?
No colored pictures whatsoever. Would you even buy a copy of this as a collector?
As a collector, if I collected comic books, yes. But if I didn't collect them, no.
You know what I thought about? Sometimes I think about things that I said like years ago that I would be embarrassed for people to know that I said now. Should we really hold a standard to somebody that said something 20, 30 years ago?
Now, she said that recently about the party and the way she wanted the people to dress. That wasn't 20, 30 years.
Damn it, I was trying to make it better.
All right, Craig, take us through a Paula Deen comic book adventure.
Paula Deen and her sidekick helping Hollis take the streets in his high visibility vest so he can be seen at night, you know? Fighting against arch nemesis and arch villains like Diabito, the Butter Boy, and Cholesterol Olive. Tune in next time. Same fat time, same fat channel.